Many parents try all kinds of remedies when their child keeps getting colds, coughs, or a blocked nose. And one traditional method that's popular in some cultures is using an aromatic pouch made from ajwain, cloves, and garlic. The process is simple: lightly roast the ingredients until fragrant, wrap them in a cloth, and place the pouch near your child's nose. The warm aroma can help make breathing feel a little easier, especially when their nose feels stuffy. But it's important to remember, this only helps relieve symptoms, not cure the illness. Kids still need rest, plenty of fluids, and if symptoms worsen, a doctor's guidance. Use traditional remedies wisely, and always prioritize your child's safety.